last video we have seen about how to add or subtract any decimal number. Now this video I will explain about changing decimal fraction, decimal to fraction or fraction to decimal. How will change? How will convert? So you have to follow first of all method. First method is you have to make numerator. How will make numerator? For that, if any decimal number is given, you have to write all same as it is the number without decimal point. Means just you remove that point and write all same number copy on the numerator. For denominator, put 1 in for place of decimal point. In place of decimal point, just you put 1 and for 0 for each decimal place. Means whatever number is given, just you see in this example 2.478. You have to convert into fraction. These are the number are given. So in numerator, just copy the same number without point. Means just you remove this point. Means 2478. So this is the numerator. Now, so upon will come here. After that, for denominator, in place of decimal, just you put 1. For place of decimal, 1 will come. After that, for after point, 3 digits are there. For each digits, you have to put 1 0. So 3 digits are there, so you have to put 3 0. So this is the fraction of given this decimal. After that, you can simplify. If any cancellation is there, you can cancel out. Just you see, these both are even number, so you can cancel out by 4 by 2 also. So 1 4 3 9, and this will be 5 to the 10, and 2 more zeros will come. So 1 4 3 9 upon 500. So this is. So if you will cancel, you will get. You have to divide by 2, so you will get 1 2 3 9, and below 5 to the 10, 2 more zeros will come. So final answer is 1 2 3 9 in numerator, and denominator is 500. Like that, you can take one more example, 2.4. So just you see here 2.4. So just you copy just without point. Just remove this point, 24 will come. After that, you have to write down upon y. Means after that, just in place of point, you have to put 1, and after point, 1 digits are there, so you will put 1 0. Next, if any cancellation, you will cancel out. So 2 ja, 12 2 ja, and 5 2 ja. So answer is 12 upon 5. Like that, you have to cancel and you have to convert any decimal to any fraction. Next topic is changing fraction into decimal. Next topic is changing fractions to decimal number. Decimal. For that, you have to follow the instruction. Whatever instruction I will give, just you follow. Then you can solve any question. So first I am taking one example. Convert 4 upon 25 into decimal number. So in this method, you have to divide. First, this is the numerator and this is denominator. We will divide numerator by denominator. So 25 we will divide by 25 to 4. So for that, it is smaller than 24. 4 is smaller than 25. So for that, you have to put point. So then in place of point, you have to put 1 0 here. Then it will come 24 25 1 ja. So 25 1 ja, 25 will come. Then we will subtract, you have to take borrow. 10 will come, 10 minus 5, 5 will come, and this one is 3, 3 minus 2, 1 will come. After that, one more, again, once time will divide, then will be maybe 0, but its denominator is, remainder is 15 is coming, so in place of 15, we have to make again here 0, for that you can put one more 0 yourself. So 6 are 25, 6 are it will come, 25, 6 are 150. So we cancel out 0, 0, 0. So final answer is, in place of before decimal, just if any integer are there, just put 0. So 0.16 will come. Or you can write like this also, that will be not wrong, but a standard you have to follow always. If any any integer are there, just put 0.16. So 4/25 fraction converted into decimal, that will give answer 0.16. Again, next one more question I will take. Second, convert 1/10 into decimal. In this question, you have to divide it 25 to 4. Here also, you can divide 10 to 1. That will give answer. But you can convert directly also. If any number is given like that, numerator is any number will become, and denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 like that, then you can write direct answer also. For that, just you see 1 0 are there, so after just you put 1 point and 1 0 is there, so after decimal 1 digit will become, means here, so 0 will come before that, because no any digits are there, so just you put here 0.1. Like that, if any other question you can take, like question number 3rd, convert 4/1000 into decimal number, So again, just you see 4/1000, 1 has 3 zeros, no need to divide, directly you can answer. So 4/1000 is given, 1 has 3 digits, 3 zeros, so just you put here 4, and after decimal required 3 digits, so before that if you will put here point, then we will give wrong answer. So for that you have to put 2 more 0, then you have to put here point, and here 0 will come, because no any other integer are there, so just you put here 0.004. So this is the final answer. If any this type of number are given, you can, without division, you can convert into decimal. If any this type of number is given, then you will divide, then find the answer.